Hi, I'm Hannah, and today we're going to be working on how to solve a word problem where you're given the answer, but you're still looking for one of the add-ins. Okay, so this is a second grade math standard, and it says add and subtract within 100 to solve 1 and 2 step contextual problems with unknowns in all positions, involving situations of add to, take from, put together, take apart, and compare. Use objects, drawings, and equations with a symbol for the unknown to represent the problem. Here we have our word problem that we're going to be working with. Riley has 34 stickers in her collection. Her brother Tyson gave her some more stickers. Riley now has 93 stickers. How many stickers did Tyson give Riley? Something really important that we want to do when teaching word problems is to teach our children to pick out the information that truly matters. So word problems can be really confusing for little kids, especially the ones who are just beginning to learn how to solve them, because a lot of this information is just kind of junk. They don't really need it. So what's really important here is that Riley starts off with 34 stickers. And after her brother Tyson gives her some, she ends with 93. So 93 is the sum in this situation, and 34 is one of the add-ins. So we're missing an add-in, and we are going to solve for that add-in. Now what this is essentially a child's first introduction to an algebraic type math problem. So how you might see this, and how you all are probably used to seeing a problem like this, would be 34 plus x equals 93. But children at this point in second grade, they aren't used to seeing letters added into math. So a box or another symbol like that is a really good idea to let these kids know that there's something missing right here, a number missing that they need to fill in. At this age, the best way you can explain this to a child is to show them that 34 plus an unknown number equals 93. Now the reverse of addition is subtraction. So to find what this unknown number is, we can teach them that they're just going to need to subtract one of the add-ins from the sum. The next thing we're going to notice is that we cannot take 4 from 3. So we're going to have to borrow from the tens place. Now by this point in the grade, the children should already be pretty used to borrowing. But we're going to go ahead and demonstrate that. Now what we've done here is borrowed a 10 from the tens place, so that we can subtract 4 from the one side over here. So we can reduce 9 to 8 if we take 1 away, and then we can move that 1 over here to the 3. So this makes the problem 13 minus 4 in the ones place, which should be a pretty easy problem for a second grader to solve. Now what we've done is solved for the answer that was going to go in the ones column. So again, we've borrowed a ones from our tens column and made this an 8. Now we've got 13 minus 4, and the answer to that is 9. All right, so we've moved on to the tens place now. And again, this should be a problem that's more than easy for a second grader to solve. We've got 8 minus 3, and that's really big work in kindergarten, actually. So with no problem, the second grader should be able to look at this and know that 8 minus 3 is 5. And here is our finished product. Tyson gave Riley 59 stickers. So 59 is what's going to fill the box up here. Again, we've explained to our students that addition and subtraction are the opposites of one another. So if we're missing an add-in, we can move the other add-in over to the sum and subtract that add-in from the sum, which will give us the other add-in. Hope this video made your understanding a little clearer of second grade standard OAA1, how to solve word problems when you're missing an essential part of the equation. Thanks so much.